Hi everyone, so today we are going to understand how to complete your syllabus faster. So as you know that we are covering your chapters really quickly, and not so quickly, but we are covering your chapters, so you also need to do self-study and complete your syllabus. So why you need to complete your syllabus faster? Why there is a dire and a dire need to do that? Because you will be leaving no time for revision. No time for revision. So yesterday I did a poll on my Telegram handle. So there I asked how much of your syllabus is done. Some are saying 40%, some are saying 60%, and one student is saying 90%. So this person is not going good till the day. This is okayish. This I don't think is possible, but if it is done, if he or she has done, it's very great. So you need to be in the category of 60 to for 55 to 75%. In this range you should be in today's date if you want to get a proper time for your revision. So you need a time for revision only because 5-6 months of your class 10 are left now. This is not just for class 10 but specifically for class 10, means it's made because they have a board class. The 9 students can also follow this. So first step number 1, check how much is done, how much you have done till the date. So for example, you are having any of your 5 chapters of geography, of history, like history. So you have done 2 chapters and you are doing the 3rd chapter now. These are completely done. So I think you are going well. You have done 2/5 part of your syllabus, but it's not that great. So in upcoming 2 months, you need to do it 5 out of 5. Because until when you will not know how much is done, you can't say how much is left, right? So first check how much of your syllabus is done. Now make a syllabus sheet. So this is you need to do in the starting of the session, but it's okay, you have all 5 to 6 months now also. So make a table like this. Okay, so first here write chapter number 1, 2, NCRT, RB means reference book, and question practice, or you may have lecture, like many of the students attend lectures on YouTube, so you can add this lecture also. So as your syllabus is being done, you can take it. NCRT done. Reference book, this is not done, so this chapter questions are done, these lectures are missing, you need to make it like this. So make sure at the end of the month or your goal, you need to make this cross tick. Okay, make a syllabus sheet like this, like a syllabus table. Now you need to check your speed. This is very important. So you need to check in how much days you are completing a chapter, how much time you are taking to completing a chapter doesn't mean reading NCRT. It includes NCRT, reference book, any lecture if you have not understood it from these books, and question practice. How much days? So many of the students here would do it in 1 day, and some may take 3 days to do this. So you need to check your speed accordingly. Now make your study GPS. What is this GPS? Like you know that Google Maps help you locate the GPS. So to make GPS, it's very easy. You need to make a track how you will going to do that. For example, write the date 1 September. This is just for example 2023. Write your goal. So I wrote the chapter. Here, that is development. So I know this is a very small chapter. I can complete it in one day easily. So I make 3 boxes. One for NCERT, one for reference book, and one for question practice. And also include maths every day. So you need to practice 15 to 20 questions every day. You may also write your chapter here, or you can simply go through any of the 15 to 20 questions. If you want it to be in an organized manner, you may write the chapter name, for example, real number. Clear? Now you need to follow what you have written in your study GPS. So many of the students who make this GPS, they make everything, they take 2 to 3 days for making it aesthetic, but they can't follow it. But implementation will only give you the path to your work, not your just writing it down on a paper. It is not a great deal, but implementation is important. So you need to follow it, what you have written in your GPS, and you need to follow it. And what keeps you going is motivation. So stay motivated and keep going. How to stay motivated? In your mind, create idea of result today. Think of the result day when your result will be out. Keep in mind that. And keep going. This is the mantra to success. So you need to keep going. You need to make study GPS. You need to make this. So before thanking you guys, thank you, I would just like to say one thing more. That you have about 13 chapters in science, 22 chapters in SST, and these are the chapters. So you have total 35 chapters in your SS, social science and science. So you will only take 35 days if you complete one chapter each day. So let's suppose there are 10 such chapters which are like big chapters. So you can take 10 days or 2 days more, 2 days instead of 1, and you may complete your science and SS. So math will be going with it. So in 45 days you may complete your whole chapter of SS, science and mathematics. So these 45 days, if your speed is fast, you can do 2 chapters a day. You may complete it in just 16 days, my friend. So it's really easy. Go for it, simple, and practice and stay motivated. So this was all for this video. Hope you like this video. I have really worked hard for this, and this is how You need to move. So thank you. Hope you like this video. Stay motivated, keep going, and complete your syllabus fast. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.